Okay, eighth graders, we have the United States and Canada. This is Chapter 5, otherwise known as Input 6. The United States and Canada. So this is our introductory chapter. So we're going to look at the land first, different land forms that have shown up across North America. We have mountains, plains, and plateaus. The Pacific Range of mountains include the Sierra Nevada, Cascade Range, the Coast Range, and the Alaska Range. This is where Mount McKinley is located. The Rocky Mountains link the United States and Canada. It's 3,000 miles from New Mexico all the way to Alaska. The Great Plains are located east of the Rocky Mountains. The Appalachian Mountains in the east extend from Quebec in Canada all the way down to Alabama in the United States. There's many different island groups that are located in North America: the Hawaiian Islands, Newfoundland, and Prince Edward Island in Canada. Next, we have the different water systems of North America. Rivers. We have the main rivers are the Mississippi, Colorado, Niagara, and St. Lawrence. Four of the largest, excuse me. Then for lakes, we have the Great Lakes: Michigan, Ontario, Erie, Superior, and Huron. Here is a satellite image of Lake Erie, Ontario, Huron, Michigan, and Superior. The natural resources, some of the examples are fossil fuels like natural gas, petroleum, coal, minerals like gold, silver, and copper. Timber and fishing are industries that help. Trees are a very rich natural resource that both Canadians and Americans use for industry and for making goods that we ship throughout the whole world. The waters of the Atlantic and the Pacific are rich with fish. The risk of overfishing is always present. And here's a map of deforestation since 1620 to today. The dark gray is forest about 400 years ago. Today, not so much. Climate and vegetation, warm and dry climates, places that get very little rain and temperatures that are very high. Places like Death Valley in California where the temps reach up to 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Southern climates, warm and wet, places like the Everglades in Florida. Let me go back to that real quick. I went pretty quickly. Everglades in Florida. All right. Here's a map that shows the location of the warm and wet climates of North America. Next are the northern climates: interior, Great Plains, cold winters, hot summers. This is where there's many tornadoes. Strong storms occur during the spring and summer. The coastal climates: Pacific Range from Alaska to Northern California. High latitude climates, parts of the United States and Canada that experience harsh winters with blizzards and cold temperatures. You live in one of those. Chicago is part of the high latitude climates. So if we look at this map here, we have the different North American climates from subarctic to Arctic all the way down to marine. Mixed dry, hot, humid, mixed humid, and cold and very cold. And we happen to be in the cold. So make sure you do your input and output. A very short video for you. I think you'll enjoy. Thank you and enjoy your weekend. See you at homecoming.